titingin ako ng birthday cake. Yes, ako ang bumibili ng birthday cake ko. Let's go! Ayan, pupuntahan sana namin yung Peace Bridge. Ayun o, yung pula. Kaso ang dami-daming ginagawa. Ayun o, yung kulay pulang yun. Kumbaga landmark yan sa Calgary.
Sa kabila may parking o.
Yeah. Kaya lang ang daming ginagawa. Supposedly, yun pala mga parking o. Nagpaiwan na lang ako dito sa kotse kasi ang haba nung lalakarin, tapos ang init. Alam nyo naman, hindi pwede ang hikain. Kaya dito na lang, sabi ko, kunan mo na lang ng video para ma-vlog ko. Tapos may pupuntahan pa kami mamaya. Hindi na ako nagpatay ng AC kasi nga mainit. Tapos may mga nabili kasi kami dun sa Korean grocery, kaya baka maano lang. Uuwi muna kami after nito kasi kailangan ilagay sa freezer yung iba naming nabili. Okay?
Peace Bridge. Kami magpapagod ka.
Andito naman kami sa dahil magba-birthday nga ako, ay request ko kay husband na marami kaming puntahan. Isa na tong bakery na to, titingin ako ng birthday cake. Yes, ako ang bumibili ng birthday cake ko. Let's go! Yan, this is the famous Glamorgan Bakery. First time namin, so papasok na kami. Ito, famous talaga nila yan, cheese buns.
Dito?
Oo. Ito na, yung kanilang cheese bun.
Yeah, because we probably have some. Yeah. And that was probably at the end of the day. That's fine.
Ay, dito yata yung merong parang hot donut na may ransa kung gusto ko. Yung may sugar,
Yes.
One apple strudel.
Okay. Nobody's home. Okay. So ones
Ma'am,
that
can I speak with anything?
Apple? Is that apple?
Ma'am, can I speak with one?
Hi. Oh, yeah. Of course. We've got, they're just right over
Oh, this one. Is this the apple?
This is just on the front of it there. You just can find it.
Okay. Oh no, I'm waiting for it.
Yeah, it says that just on the front.
Wala yung ano.
Sorry about that.
Oh my gosh, there's a big one. Baka okay.
So, all the fancy ones are the ice cream ones, or like flowery ones. The question is, so those are the fancy ones. And these are the list of the cakes. But you have the regular ones. We have them here. We have a small baby cake.
okay.
So these are all the
I want
cakes.
some like chocolate.
Nothing fancy. Okay, so
Or the
those
mocha.
are basic.
Which is better? You want chocolate or mocha? Mocha.
So do you want to okay, so do you want a 7?
What's the
Could I get one
Okay.
and which one? The ring cupcakes. So could I get 6 vanilla
Yes.
with maybe 4 for sure the birthday boy. Oh, can you put that in a vanilla?
Right, I know, right?
The one with
Oh, is this cinnamon twist? Like,